I'm Dr. Cindy Haynes of Health Day TV, making news this week, keeping an eye on a loved one's mental status, stopping migraines before they start, and how to help young people facing a worrisome threat. Let's get started. When people begin entering into dementia, their loved ones often step up to help them. Another way for friends and family to help may be to assist with a diagnosis. In a recent study, researchers included 257 participants and asked people close to them to fill out an 8-question form called the 88. The questionnaire asks about the person's mental abilities. The participants whose 88 suggested that they had dementia were more likely to also have signs of Alzheimer's disease based on brain scans and a test of their spinal fluid. Moving on, a type of medicine sometimes used for heart issues may help keep migraines away. In a new study, researchers looked at 232 adults with migraines. All of them received medications to treat the headaches when they occurred. Some also received medications called beta blockers. Some went to sessions on migraine management. Some received both, and some received neither. Only the people who used both methods had a significant drop in migraines over a 30-day period compared to those who used neither. And finally, the tragic consequences of bullying have been in the news lately. And October is National Bullying Prevention Month. According to experts at the Pacer Center organization, signs that a child is being bullied may include changes in mood or sleep habits, or requests for a ride to school instead of taking the bus. Kids may help reduce their risk of being bullied by hanging out with friends or siblings and taking up hobbies and activities that help them cultivate friendships. For more information, visit www.pacer.org. I'm Dr. Cindy Haynes of Health Day TV with the news that doctors are reading, health news that matters to you.